Dear children, today I will teach you geography lesson first. Resources. Resources means those are things or material or facilities which are useful to us, called resources. In this lesson important terms में पहले देखें resources. Anything which has utility for man to satisfy his needs and wants, called resources. पुनः anything which has a utility for human to satisfy his needs and wants. मैन भी कह सकते हैं. Development. The process of improving the quality of human life is called development. The process of improving the quality of human life. Improvement of human life भी कह सकते हैं, called development. Sustainable development. Careful utilization of resources so that they can fulfill the needs of future generation also. Careful utilization of resources so that they can fulfill the needs of future generation also is called sustainable development. Definition of resources. Humankind has a number of basic needs. Humankind has a number of basic needs, that is food, clothing and shelter, which it satisfies from nature. Rocks, minerals, soils, rivers, plants and animals are some precious gifts of nature to man. These gifts of nature are called resources. In fact, any material that constitutes part of the earth and which satisfies a human need is called a resource. Erich Walter Zimmermann defines resources as a feature of the environment which are considered to be capable of serving man's needs and which are given utility by the capabilities and wants of man. It is clear that a thing, object or elements become a resources only when it has the capability to fulfill man's needs or perform the function which benefits him. Man himself is a resource and perhaps supreme among all the resources, as it is he who utilizes all other resources and gives them a meaning. That is, manage also resources, because man is a superior animal than other animal. Now, any physical material become a resources as and humans find them useful and attach some valuable to it. Valuable may be expressed in 4 ways: economic, legal, aesthetic and ethical. For example, when resources are being used for product, they are said to have economic value. Clean Air Act is an example of legal value attached to the quality of the resources, that is air, natural scene, beauty of mountain, lakes, river, forest, etc. is an example of aesthetic value. The responsibility to preserve our national park for future generations reflect the ethical value attached to such resources that wildlife. Nature is the bountiful in providing different gifts in the form of resources to man. These gifts acquire value with reference to the needs of people inhabiting a region and technology to make the best use of these resources. Human needs and desire vary at different places. They are neither uniform in all parts of the world nor statics over the years. They generally grow and become complex as a society progresses. The early human had few basic needs and they were fulfilled by collecting materials from their surroundings. The Malayan tribe of South India and the Pygmies of the Congo Basin in Africa is to make to be collecting edible plant roots, flower, fruits and hunting animals. The development process brings about change in the nature of human needs and wants. It is reflected through the ways people live in different parts of the world. Their food habits, clothing, housing, and modes of transport vary a lot. The highly developed societies in America or Europe consume a variety of processed food products like cheese, chocolate, canned fruits, frozen vegetable and meat. In developing countries like India, people largely consume simple cooked food like rice, chapati, dal, vegetable, etc. These items require less processing. It implies that as our needs and wants grow, consumption of resources also increases. Now, next thing.